Jon Purdey from Edge Mortgages, edgemortgages.co.nz. I'm going to talk a little bit about commercial property funding. Slightly different from the type of funding that we would get for our clients for residential property, in that there's often less emotional drivers behind commercial property, and the funding is the same because you don't have to live there. There are no ties in that way. The banks will look at it a little bit harsher. The interest rates for commercial funding through a trading bank can vary anywhere from 1% to 2.5% in the current market, above those rates for residential lending. The loan to value ratio for commercial property is an interesting one. Generally, the banks will go to 65% of a commercial property's value when they're lending to you. However, if you are in an owner-occupied commercial property, there's often the ability, given the strength of your business, to actually go to 100% against that property, which not a lot of people know about. I think a lot of people know the 65%, but there is that potential to go in a stepwise fashion up to that 100% level. And as with residential funding, the key for commercial property, probably even more so because each type of industry in which that commercial property is involved in varies. The key for me is really getting that finance in place before you make an offer, or certainly alongside that finance period that you're looking at making on that commercial property. Very important to get that finance in place. So more than happy to help you with that. If you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation in regard to commercial property with me, I can be reached at Jon, Jon, at edgemortgages.co.nz.